Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Google Drive sign-in loop keeps asking to log in. First of all, we're going to clear app data by signing out of Drive and Google Apps. You can also force close the app by swiping the app off from the bottom of your screen and swiping it away. After that, reopen it, then restart your phone and sign back into Google account. Update or reinstall the Drive app by going to the Drive and then see if there is an update button and update it if the button is available. Safety tip: avoid entering credentials on pop-up. Always use Google's official sign-in page. Quick fix: sign in through Safari, verify account security and then reopen the app. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.